welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We're gonna F around in the kitchen today because I've had some of my best times in the kitchen just screwing around, trying out new stuff. So
let's see what kind of magic we can make today.
Yeah, on one of our last videos, I think the one for the sweet potato cake, Joanna, I'm sorry, Y, had said,
me.
Yeah, she said that when she makes cake, she only uses 2 ingredients, a cake mix and a cream soda. Now this is generally accepted over the internet because I looked it up and I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. So it's pretty unhealthy to eat like a cake mix, but sometimes, you know, you just don't have time to do it from scratch. And I thought, well, I don't drink soda, but I got some seltzer here.
All right.
And there's plenty of sugar in here anyway, so it's not like we'd be missing the sugar, right? But when I went to go look and see if I had a cake mix, I don't. All I have is a brownie mix. So let's see if we could stretch this even further and do seltzer and brownie mix and see what happens.
All right.
I have no idea what's going to happen. You're going to find out when I do. I feel like the magician. At no time will we cut away from the action.
Yes, we will.
But we will. Alright, so we've got our brownie mix here. I've already greased my pan, by the way. Just in case you're wondering. My toaster oven is already preheated. I'm just going to dump it in here. This seems like just too good to be true. So if this works, that's going to be something. I know the cake mix and soda will work, but will this work? We'll see. So a typical can of soda is 12 ounces, so that's up to there. So we're just going to measure this out because I don't buy usually individual cans of seltzer or soda for that matter. So that's about 12 ounces right there. So we're going to pour this bad boy in here. Wow, beautiful. I'm going to gently mix it. That looks lovely.
It does.
It's a little loosey-goosey, but we'll see what happens. I think a little lumps are fine because like those will just like cook out. I'm just concerned with over-mixing. I really don't want to over-mix this because I don't want to lose a lot of that fizziness that is really going to help this rise. So, ooh,
it's gloppy.
It is a little gloppy. I'm going to get it all in here. And like I said, I have my toaster to 350. I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. Actually, I'm going to check it after 20 minutes. But I think it's probably going to go to 30.
Is it good?
Of course.
Okay.
How could it be bad?
I'm just checking.
Alright, let's pop this in here. Whoa, it's already beeped that it was ready. Get in. Don't say anything. Alright, we're gonna, we'll check it after 20. Alright, it was checked after 20 minutes.
How'd it go?
And I said, no, you need 10 more minutes. So it was in the oven for 30 minutes. Yeah, some of the spots didn't cook out, but whatever.
It's fine.
But it's, you know, solidish.
As long as it doesn't deflate when you put the knife in there.
Yeah, like the turkey.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Like the turkey in Christmas Vacation.
Yeah.
Actually, it does look pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a little crumbly. Hopefully it'll hold together. I've got my taste plate out.
Taste.
Yes. Taste the goodness.
Taste the brownie.
Yeah.
Ooh,
you know,
here we go.
First piece is always a crapshoot.
Yeah.
It's usually kind of difficult to get out.
Do your best. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Yeah, it's a little crumbly. But
yeah.
give her your coat.
That looks pretty good.
Actually, I'm a little shocked that it turned out as good as it did.
Well, let's see how it tastes too.
With just seltzer.
Yeah. That's wild.
Crazy. Groundbreaking. Are you gonna taste it?
Sure.
Okay.
We haven't even had dinner yet.
I know. Look at our beautiful dinner waiting for us.
Ooh, yeah.
Somebody asked. They had watched an old video when we were vegetarian, and they were like,
oh yeah, I thought you guys were vegan.
Look at the date on that video. It was a long
It's old.
Here we go.
I'm all about the test kitchen.
I know, right?
It smells like brownie. That's good.
Well, thank you, Joanna Y, for turning us on to simple hacks. Is it light?
Yeah, it's really light.
Is it like cake?
It's not
brownie
like
cake?
a dense brownie feeling, you know what I mean?
But it's not like a fine cake either. It's like a hybrid brownie cake, right?
I need to step away. We haven't had it yet.
Lucy said, "What are you doing over there?"
Taste it. That's good. Right? Woo!
And it's moist.
Yep.
All right. Some little ice cream would be delicious on that.
Stop.
Vegan ice cream. Because we're vegan. All right, guys. Thank you so much for effing around with us in the kitchen today. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Subscribe for more everything videos. And until next time, much love.